What is up, guys? David here from Overland Nomad, and I'm going to be installing this Auxbeam control panel on the pickup over here. Let's do a little unboxing here real quick. I know we're getting right into it. 6-gang switch panel with dimmable function. This is what you get in the box. Again, this is an Auxbeam product. You can get this on Amazon or through their website. Auxbeam did send me this, so just letting you guys know, they sent me this for free to do a little review video. I read the instructions and it's pretty simple. This is a plug and play wire that goes from the actual panel under the hood to this piece. But let's get it all out. See what we get here. It's kind of hard to do with one hand here. Okay, hold on. All right, here's the stuff that you get. You actually get this panel, which is made like out of I can't tell you what kind of material this is, like aluminum. It's metal, but it feels really sturdy. It surprisingly feels really nice. The buttons feel really nice. Like, this is really good quality. So you have the wiring, the plug and play wiring. I believe this is the wiring that connects to that, and this goes to the switch panel fuse box. You have some hardware here. You have two ways of mounting this thing in your vehicle. You could use this 3M sticky tape, double-sided, or you can actually use this bracket to install. Again, the instructions are all in here. They're all in color. Oh, you get stickers to put on your panel. Let's put this over here on the side. So here you have your switch panel, your positive, and your ground. And I'll be showing you guys how I wire this all up. Again, I'm gonna install some rock lights that I got on Amazon. I'll get them in a bit, and I'll show you guys how it came out. I'm getting rid of this thing, sadly. Okay, so the poor pickup, acorns have fallen on it. It's been kind of sitting here. Haven't driven in about a week. I usually drive it just around town. I've been really busy recently, and so I apologize if it's all dirty. So I installed the Auxbeam. As you can see, the wiring I did is garbage. So if you want to make fun of me for that, go for it. I really don't care. Okay, don't care. So let me show you guys under the hood. So what you're about to see is terrible wiring. I am not done with it. I need to clean it up. So you can make fun of me. So okay, let's get to it, whatever. Okay, so it's wired up. Here's a module, whatever you want to call it. It's bolted there with one bolt. I have the wiring that goes to the control panel, goes through there. And because my truck is old and decrepit, the Nomad is pretty awesome truck either way, I ran the wire through the shifter down here. Honestly, I've been doing that for like ever, so it works. It's ghetto, but whatever, it works. Okay, I have the panel here. Panel came out really nice. I like it. It kind of doesn't go with this beat up interior, but it works. So the wiring, if you want to watch an install video on how to do that, there's other great YouTubers that do a really phenomenal job. I am not a great installer, but I do get it done. So you can go watch them, but I kind of want to give you just an unboxing and how it operates and basics of it. Like I said, it's here. You plug in the positive, you plug in the negative. It's pretty basic, guys, okay? I mean, if you don't know how to do this, then we have a problem, because if I could do this, you could do this. So, I mean, come on. I'm this type of guy that doesn't even cut the zip ties yet. So the way I wired the Auxbeam is that it turns on whenever I turn on lights. Let's turn on lights here. Lights are on. And there you have it. The Auxbeam panel. The only thing I have wired right now are some rock lights. Let's go ahead and press them on. I love this, the click, the feel of it. It's so tactile. It feels so nice. I know I talked about it, but I love that metal. It's not plasticky. I'll put a link down below on the rock lights. There's some cheap Amazon ones. You could do different colors. To finish off this video, the Auxbeam, I think it's great. I think they're running for about what, 120, 150. I'll put the right price down below. I think it's great. It's a great way to connect all your lights instead of having separate fuses, separate switches. It comes in this really nice package. It's lit up. You have little stickers, and there's some people on the internet that will sell you custom mounts for these control panels. Like, I know I wanted to mount it in my 2009 Tundra, and they had some that you could put it on top, some really cool stuff. So it makes your truck look a lot nicer. The interior, it's more of an aesthetic thing to it, but the build quality on this thing is really nice. It's really nice, and I'm really digging it. So if you're interested, go check out auxbeam.com, or they have them on Amazon. Go check that out. And that's it, guys. There's not much to it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.